Essential bandsaw maintenance for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of English language and its practical uses in everyday life. Today, we're going to talk about something a bit different but extremely useful: bandsaw maintenance. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional in the woodworking industry, or just curious about how things work, understanding this topic can be really beneficial. Let's explore what it takes to keep a bandsaw in top condition, ensuring safety and efficiency in its operation. A bandsaw is a powerful tool used for cutting a variety of materials, most commonly wood, metal, and plastic. It consists of a blade, a continuous band of toothed metal stretched between two or more wheels. This tool is essential for making precise cuts, including curved or irregular shapes. Understanding its components and function is the first step in effective maintenance. Maintaining your bandsaw is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures the safety of the operator by preventing accidents caused by equipment failure. Secondly, regular maintenance extends the life of your bandsaw, saving you money in the long run. Lastly, it guarantees the quality of your cuts, making your woodworking projects look more professional and polished. Cleaning. After each use, it's important to clean your bandsaw. Remove any dust, wood chips, or metal filings from the table, blade, and wheels. This not only keeps the machine running smoothly but also prevents potential fire hazards. Blade inspection. Check the blade for signs of wear or damage, such as cracks or dull teeth. A damaged blade can lead to poor quality cuts and can be dangerous to use. Lubrication. Apply lubricant to the moving parts of your bandsaw, particularly the wheels and blade guides. This reduces friction, preventing wear and tear on the components. Blade tension. Regularly check the tension of your bandsaw blade. Incorrect tension can cause the blade to break or the machine to operate inefficiently. Wheel alignment. Ensure that the wheels of your bandsaw are properly aligned. Misalignment can lead to uneven wear on the blade and inaccurate cuts. Table adjustment. Make sure the table is square to the blade for accurate cuts. Adjust the table if necessary to maintain precision in your work. Thank you for watching today's video on bandsaw maintenance. Remember, taking care of your bandsaw not only ensures your safety but also improves the quality of your work. We hope this guide helps you in maintaining your bandsaw effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Stay safe and happy woodworking!